Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel PetroBarrel. Today's video we're gonna talk about directional well profiles. Our agenda has a lot of topics. Firstly, we will talk about azimuth and what is the meaning of azimuth and how to correct the azimuth. Okay, let's begin by azimuth angle. Simply, azimuth angle is the angle between the north direction and the projection of the well bore. As you see an inclined well, so the projection of that well path is a red ray. Okay, so the angle between two rays, okay, the north direction and that ray is the azimuth angle. So we should to correct the value of azimuth angle to get the true north, not the magnetic north. So if you see MN, it refers to magnetic north, and TN refers to true north. So according to Hussein Rabi'a book, you can see azimuth is the angle measured with respect to true north, not the magnetic north, to be accurate. But anyway, let's take an example to learn how to correct azimuth angle. To the first example, or the well number one, simply the true north is or equal to magnetic north plus or minus declination. How to correct the azimuth angle? The first step, we will draw the declination ray. Okay, he said in the first case 3 degrees west. So this is the direction of west. So we build an angle of 3 degrees in the direction of west. Uh, our starting point is the true north or the north direction. Okay, so the declination angle will move either to right, to east, or to left, to the west. So the first step, we draw the yellow ray, which is refers to the magnetic north. Okay, so the second step, how to plot this angle. Okay, he said the azimuth angle with respect to magnetic north is 45 degree. Okay, but true in northeast quad, which is this quad. Okay, so the starting point at this case is the magnetic north. So we will try to build an angle about 45. Okay, roughly build or draw 45 degrees and draw a line or another arrow, which is the green one. Okay, and this angle is 45. To get the true north uh, azimuth or the azimuth corrected, which is related to the true north, simply we will get it by subtracting 3 degrees from 45 degrees to get the green angle, which is 42 degrees with respect to true north. According to example number 2, we have declination angle 3 degrees but to the east direction. Simply we will draw the line which is related to the magnetic north, which is the yellow line. Okay, we pulled an angle in the direction of east by 3 degrees. Then we will build an angle 45 from the starting point of the magnetic north. Then we will draw another line. But we want the azimuth angle related or with respect to the true north. So simply we will add 3 degrees to 45, which is 48. According to the last example, you will see the azimuth but not corrected value according to the magnetic north is south 80 degrees west, and the declination is 5 degrees west. Simply SW 80 degrees. Okay, you are here. Okay, in SW. So the first step, we will make the declination at which he said 5 degrees west. So I'll draw this line, which is refers to the magnetic north. The second step, we will convert S 80 degrees west relative to magnetic north to an angle related to the magnetic north, but instead of south according to the magnetic north. So simply, the second step, we will add 180 degree to 80 degree to get to 160, which is the red angle, the starting point from the magnetic north to the direction or the well path, which is this line. Okay, I know that this angle is 260. Okay, and uh, the green one, which is 260 minus 5, which is 255, starting from the true north. Okay, that's enough for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.